Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here. And today, I'm going to be unboxing something that is absolutely insane. This is, I've unboxed a lot of stuff on this channel. I've reviewed a lot of knives. I have never had anything like this on the channel. Not at this this level. This is crazy. It's going to be awesome. I'm excited. I'm excited for the people who are watching. And I want to say thank you to my buddy Kyle for loaning this to me for review so that I could share it with everybody else. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's do this. There was kind of a build-up. You know, I opened up the box, and Kyle actually sent me multiple things, but I'm going to dedicate an upload to just this. I knew what this was because I could see through the bubble wrap, and I knew it was a Sharp by Design custom. If you don't know, Brian Nadeau of Sharp by Design makes, in my opinion, probably, honestly, it's out of everything I've handled, they're the best knives in the world. They're the nicest, highest quality knives I have ever handled. And I'm lucky enough to own a couple of production knives that are collaborations between Sharp by Design and Riyadh. And I'm also very lucky to own a personal grail. This is a full custom Sharp by Design Arch Nemesis. A lot of you know that this was a knife that was given to me by my wife, or gifted to me by my wife, and it was custom made for me. So I very much treasure this. What Kyle has is it's an Arch Nemesis. I know what this is, and I'm trying so hard to like keep it together for me so that I can actually make a video out of this. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, deep breath. Here we go. Oh man, this is absolutely ridiculous. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Kyle, this is ridiculous. I don't know what to say. This is insane. Oh man, I don't know, guys. Just excuse me for this episode, please. You know I'm usually pretty good with flow. I usually have things to say. Can I get a pass? Can I get a free pass for this upload? I don't know how to take this image of reality and put it through what is essentially the meat grinder in my head that makes words come out of my mouth. I can't. Let's just look at it together. God bless America, and God bless Brian Nadeau for being a freaking mastermind. Look at this. This is textured zirconium. God, that is so beautiful. This is just stupid. It's stupid how good this is. This is zircotite, which has been inlaid into the zirconium, and then they've got this. He's carved this area out. What the heck? This titanium clip has been anodized in this little area in here, like a fade ano to match partially the ano in the zircotite, which is also textured. Sweet baby, man. Oh, should we go to the blade? What the heck are we looking at here? Yeah, that's a carbon fiber weave that has been milled into the blade. Oh my God. How? All right. I've handled a lot of crazy stuff. This is not the first time I have ever handled a custom knife. I've handled knives that cost $500. I've handled knives that cost $5,000. I don't know how much this costs, but let me say this. With price out the window, this is just within this moment of opening this up and looking at it. I mean, I know the quality of, you know, Brian Nadeau's custom work. This is like the highest quality knife that I own, definitely. And I like a, you know, a monochromatic, like this is all one color steel. I like this look. I love this, right? It's me. These are expensive. I don't know how much this costs, but all of that aside, the quality of this, like the amount of work and precision detail that went into this, right? I've seen some crazy stuff on Instagram. We all have, right? We've all seen that. Really cool, really impressive. Handled a lot of crazy stuff. Handled a lot of stuff that blew my socks off, right? I'm not even sure, right, if we're going to use that metaphor, blew your socks off, I'm not 100% sure metaphorically how much of my clothes would still be on, right? In that line, right, comparatively. This is ridiculous. This is beautiful. This is crazy. Look at this. Oh, man, the polishing on that. I knew that this existed. I did. I've seen pictures of this. This is probably the most impressive, the most beautiful Sharp by Design Arch Nemesis that exists. And there are not a lot, right? He's been making his, I'm trying to get my gross fingerprint. My bare skin is not worthy to touch that. I should have bought gloves for this. It's weird to be intimidated by an inanimate object, right? Especially when that inanimate object is a knife, and I run a YouTube channel that is dedicated to nothing but these types of objects. This is Excalibur beyond Excalibur. This is Excalibur in a universe where everybody is worthy of the Excalibur in our universe, and they have a better one there. They have one that is beyond the simple people of this world, right? This is ridiculous, man. I'm running out of words. I don't have the vocabulary for this. If this is your first time watching my channel and you're like, this guy is the crappiest knife reviewer that I have ever seen. Well, this isn't a review. I mean, I would agree with you based on this one, you know, interaction with my channel. Yeah. It's really hard for me to deal with all of this and process all of this. It's just completely insane. I've already reviewed the Arch Nemesis, and I have hailed it as one of the most beautiful and masterful creations of our knife world. This would largely receive the same type of thing, right? I mean, you're not going to get much more from a review than you would just this video right here. Man. This is just, Kyle, I can't imagine, you know, how it must feel to own this. It is, I've seen a lot of them, right? There are people out there who own variations of the Arch Nemesis, and there are a lot of very beautiful ones. But this knife really has it. It's got that, nobody else is doing this with the blade. That is absolutely ridiculous. Let's get a close-up on that, shall we? Right? This has already run too long, and I just don't care. That is stunning. Oh, man. Look at that. Let me just turn that. Look how absolutely perfect. Some of you guys might think I'm joking around when I say Brian Nadeau has the most impressive customs on earth. I know it's not possible for you to fully take in this knife without handling it, but I've never handled it. I was already blown away by the Arch Nemesis. This is actually the third Arch Nemesis that I have handled. All of them have been utterly masterful. Utterly masterful. But this is next level craziness. I am so glad that I got an opportunity to handle this thing. Kyle, have you named this? You got to name it, man. Boy, that's just ridiculous. It is a bit heavier, if you guys want to know. Just a little bit. Yeah, I can feel it. It's actually quite a bit. Let me weigh it on camera for you guys here. I mean, if you You actually order a custom knife from Brian Nadeau, which is not normally going to be the case. It's normally going to be he'll make them when he feels like it, and then he'll say, hey, these are available, and you know, if you're lightning fast and you got deep pockets, then maybe you'll get one. Mine, excuse me, weighs 6.1 ounces, and you know, it's a fifth of an inch on the blade stock, and it's quite a bit of titanium. This guy also is a fifth of an inch, and we're looking at zirconium here. So this guy actually weighs not a whole lot more, 7.09 ounces, right? Go by the whole ounce and inch thing, you know, boy, the flip. Yeah. Ratio is not, you know, perfect. This is zirconium, but then again, we have two edges. We have two truly sharpened edges. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I can't believe I have two of these side by side here on the channel, right? But just really, really epic. This was a fun one to share. Unless Kyle has uploaded a video of this exact Arch Nemesis, I don't think a knife like this, you know, quite this intense exists anywhere else on YouTube. So I'm really proud to show this. And I am infinitely grateful that Kyle let me show this, right? I mean, obviously I don't get to keep it. I'm going to send it back. But it's really cool, right? This was I'm not going to forget this. I'm never going to forget this upload, you know. All right. I think that's about it. You guys will definitely see this on social media. In fact, a lot of you probably saw it. You will have seen it before I actually do this video. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, that's going to be it. This was a great one. Thanks again, Kyle. I may do a video with this. It may be a different type of maybe a discussion topic or something like that. But you will see this again outside of this video. And then it'll go back to Kyle. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.